Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss the remaining part of marketing management, physical distribution. Dear students, under physical distribution, the goods distribute from production place to consumption places or sent from production place to consumption place for physical distribution. Dear students, the firm use sometime direct distribution channel and sometime indirect distribution channel. So when the firm directly sells the product to the customer, that is called direct distribution channel, that is called zero level distribution channel. And next one is indirect distribution channel. One firm use lot of intermediaries for the sales of product from firm to customer, that is called indirect distribution channel. Dear students, we have three types of indirect distribution channel: one level, 2 and 3 level distribution channel. In one level channel distribution channel, the firm use one intermediaries like retailer. In 2 level distribution channel, the firm use two intermediaries like wholesaler and retailer. In 3 level distribution channel, the firm use three intermediaries like agent, wholesaler or retailer. Clear? Dear students, first of all, we are to discuss the next topic is which factor mind before the selecting the distribution channel. The firm what kinds of distribution channel use for the distribute of goods from production place to consumption places. So we have a lot of factors which is mind by the firm before the selecting the distribution channel. Clear? The first one is product related factor. Dear students, when the product is so costly and expensive, then firm use direct distribution channel, and the product is cheaper, not expensive, then firm use indirect distribution channel. Next one, product complexity. Before the using of product, when the customer have a deeply knowledge how to operate the product, then firm prefer the direct distribution channel. But the product not complexity, then firm use indirect distribution channel. Nature of product, like cosmetic product, that's your Sony spoil, then firm use direct distribution channel. Perishable or non-perishable product, direct selling used for perishable product or indirect selling used non-perishable product. Next one, company related factor. We have a lot of company related factor which is bind by the producer before the selecting the distribution channel. First one, finance. When firm have a deep pocket, firm have a financially strong, then firm is always prefer direct distribution channel. But firm do not financially strong, then firm prefer indirect distribution channel. Next one, degree of control. When firm want to full control on the distribution, then firm prefer direct distribution channel. And firm do not prefer full control on the distribution, then firm prefer indirect distribution channel. Competitive factor. Under these, the firm is always prefer which distribution channel, that kinds of distribution channel used by the competitor. Next one, market related factor. That's one another factor which is mind by the producer before the selecting distribution channel. Nature of market. In industrial market, firm sells machine or equipment to firm, so the firm prefer direct distribution channel. Next one, consumer market. When the firm sells consumer product, then firm prefer indirect distribution channel. Size of market. When the size of market is so large, then firm prefer indirect distribution channel, because the firm do not able to cover the market directly. So firm use a lot of intermediaries for the sales of goods. But the size of market is small, then firm prefer direct distribution channel, because firm easily hold the whole market. Next one, geographical concentration. When the consumer is scattered only limited areas, then firm prefer always direct distribution channel. But when the customer scattered the large area, then firm prefer indirect distribution channel. Next one, quantity purchased. When firm produce in the firm according to order, so firm is always prefer direct distribution channel. But the firm produce the product but do not according to order, then the firm prefer indirect distribution channel. Next one, environmental factors. The what kinds of distribution channel preferred by the organization, it's depend the environment, like economic policies, like legal policies, political policies. So all is economic environment, political, social or legal environment. Technical environment is also affected the distribution channel. Clear beta? So that's your distribution channel factor affecting. Next topic is component of physical distribution. So we have a 4 component of physical distribution. The first one is order processing. Under these, the first of all, salesman collect the order of a product from the market, and after that the organization produce the product according to order and send back to the customer for direct satisfaction of need. Next one, transportation. The goods is produced on a particular place, but the goods is demand the whole areas of a country. So the goods transport from one place, from production place to consumer place, that is called transportation. Warehousing. Dear students, we have some degree of gap between the production or consumption. So the warehousing is always maintain the gap between production and consumption for the flow of goods and services continuity. Next one, inventories. Inventory means the stock of a raw material, semi-finished goods or finished goods is called inventories. Generally the firm you always maintain the inventories for the rising the flow of goods and services in the economy. So dear students, today we are discuss distribution channel. First of all, what is distribution channel? Briefly explain the types of distribution channel. Next one, briefly explain the direct or indirect distribution channel. Next one, briefly explain the factor affecting of distribution channel. And the next one is the function of distribution channel. So you will prepare the all questions on your fair copy and you will learn its. And if you have any doubt, any topic, then you can take all the doubts immediately. Dear students, you will also choose your attendance each day in a group. Clear beta? Thank you very much.